Happy to see you here on my channel Mathematics, and really interesting and tricky challenge today. So what do we have right here? We have 4 times and 4 plus 2 divided by 2 inside parentheses. And a lot of students might be saying, okay, mister, this is the easiest challenge I've ever seen. We have only addition, division, multiplication. So I learned this stuff in the 3rd or 4th grade, so that's fantastic. So go ahead and pause the video and try to solve this question by yourself. 4 options, so let's test our school knowledge, let's test our algebra skill. It will be really interesting to check our answers in the end of the video. It is a really great trick and a really great challenge today. So here's our challenge, here's my option, and choose one option what do you think is correct and write your option down into the comment section. So first of all, I want to rewrite this challenge right here. So what do we have? We have 4, and inside parentheses we have 4 plus 2 divided by 2. Okay, here's our challenge. And right here we have multiplication behind this parenthesis. Okay, multiplication. Right here we have addition. Yeah, right here we have division. So as you can see, 3 math operations. We have multiplication, addition, and division. And a lot of students saying, okay, let's solve this challenge randomly. Let's start with this multiplication. Another part of students tell that we should add it first, and another part of students tell that we should divide it first. And it's really bad thing in terms of math, because we can't solve this challenge randomly, because if we solve this question with the first step as multiplication part, we have one answer. If we start with addition, completely different answer. If we start with division, completely different answer. And it's really bad thing in terms of math, because we can't solve this challenge with 2 different answers. This is really weird and really bad approach. We should know about the correct order of operation, because right here, obviously, whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So let's look, for example, at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, graphing calculators, all professional mathematical libraries works according to this PEMDAS order of operation. And how does this PEMDAS works? This PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses, so in a strict order, yeah, from the top to the bottom. So from the top to the bottom, the first step is parentheses. So first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses. Next we should evaluate exponents. Maybe we have 2 square, cubes, 4th power, 5th power. We should evaluate this type of expressions. Next we should evaluate multiplication division part. Where do we have multiplication division sign? We should evaluate this type of expression. And the last step is addition and subtraction part. So addition, subtraction is our final step, and the first step is parentheses. So right now let's rewrite this challenge, and let's try to solve this challenge according to PEMDAS order of operation. So what do we have? We have 4, and we have 4 plus 2 divided by 2. So here's our challenge. And let's scan what elements do we have. So from the top to the bottom, the highest priority has parentheses. So let's scan where do we have this parentheses right here. Okay, we have parentheses in this moment, so we need this expression right now. So as you can see, we find our first step. But inside parentheses, we have like addition and division. So it's not like an easy expression with like 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4. We have addition and division. So we need to know what is the first step, what elements, what mathematical operation have the higher priority. Okay, so let's look at it. Addition and division. Where do we have? We have addition right here, and we have division right here. Okay, addition and division. So right now let's scan what do we have at first, division or addition. As I told before, higher position means higher priority. So it means that division has the higher priority than addition, so we need to divide at first. So 2 divided by 2 is our second step after finding these parentheses. So what do we have right here? 4, and inside parentheses we have 4 plus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. Okay, so we complete this division part. We complete this parentheses part because nothing hard right here. We need to add right here as our third step is addition, so we can easily do this. So we have 4 plus 1 equal to 5, so we have 4 times 5. Okay, 4 times 5, which is equal to 20. Okay, and of course, if we're talking about PEMDAS, right here we had addition, and our last step is multiplication right here. So this is our 4th step, because after parentheses, we need to mention that we have right here 4. Okay, so 4 and multiplying by these parentheses. So our correct answer is 20. This is option D. We don't have subtraction, we don't have exponent. So this is our explanation about this PEMDAS. So the first step, parentheses. Inside parentheses we have addition, division, so we need to find what elements, what mathematical operation has the higher priority. So division has the higher priority than addition, so we divide 2 divided by 2. Final step, third step inside parentheses, this is addition. And our last step is multiplication. So 4 times 5, this is our fourth step, and we have our 20. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel with interesting brain test, IQ question, pre-algebra concept, basic math challenges every day. And also you can easily check this answer in your graphing calculator or scientific calculator, but don't use a regular calculator, because you know sometimes happen that those type of calculators work with problem as you type it in. So try to find a more sophisticated calculator like graphing calculator, where you can plug in the whole entire problem, and then your calculator is smart enough to know about order of operation. Then your calculator see, okay, I have parentheses, division, addition, multiplication, and then your calculator is smart enough to know about order of operation. Okay, but don't use a regular calculator, because for example, if you plug in this 4 and 4 in the beginning, some of those calculators gives you 16 instantly, because your calculator don't know what do you have further. Try to find a calculator where you can plug in the whole entire problem, and you will solve this easily and step by step. So our answer to this challenge, this is option D. I hope you understand this explanation. Write your suggestion, write your question down in the comment section. It will be really interesting to read about it. And thank you for your time. See you in the next videos.